Hello YouTube, it is me, Rachel Amma. Your girl is back. If you're wondering where I've been here. Exactly here. So let's just start the day off nice and slowly as we welcome Rachel back to the YouTube sphere. This is me contemplating life. Yep. Life. Let's get some light in this room and leave this comfortable bed that I have been in bed rest for the longest, which I'll explain a little bit later into the video. But for now, we're easing into the day. We're easing back into YouTube, which means a happy day. Let's get some music. Let's have a nice hot shower.
Battery 100%. Connected to.
This is my favorite speaker box because I take it everywhere with me. Time to connect and get some music on and feel like Rachel again. If that ain't Zen, I don't know what is. That after shower feel good moment. So I haven't got much of an appetite, so I'm just gonna make myself some lemon and ginger with some hot water as I ease back in, and I'll explain why I don't have much of an appetite, but I'm here. And I love lemon, ginger and hot water. It's one of my favorite combinations, especially first thing in the morning. And on top of that, I've got all my fun little medicines. I've got some liquid iron, some vitamin C, because your girl needed it, some B12, some D3, get your vitamin D in, and also this organic elderberry extract, which is enriched with vitamin C. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Rachel Amma and this is my channel. So where have I been? Well, I have been unwell and I'm now getting better, and in that I just wanted to come and kind of tell you guys where I've been and also declutter my room, because in my absence of being able to be me, my room turned into a tip, into a trash, into a bomb site. It was awful, it's atrocious. It's the new year and I actually like minimalistic spaces. I like cupboards that you open and there's still room in there as well as items. I don't like the hidden drawer that if you open it, everything falls out. That makes me unhappy. So I'm decluttering today and there is a lot to do. Decluttering with me. But next week, I'm coming at you guys with some recipes. But for now, we're just gonna ease back into me being back on YouTube. Hopefully you're happy to see me. I'm happy to be back. So it wasn't an intentional absence. Let me break down what happened here. Every year I get a cold, one cold a year, that's kind of my thing. And it's normally at just before Christmas. Had my cold, continued to work. Then the cold dragged out a little longer than usual and I thought, you know what, I'm actually gonna give myself some time to get healthy because it's Christmas and I wanna be healthy. So I was supposed to be in Ghana and Nigeria over Christmas. Everything was booked. That was supposed to be me and I was gonna obviously document the whole thing. All this stuff happened and I couldn't go, and my friend who lives in Dubai was like, still have a holiday. Rach, you need some time off, come visit me. So I went over to Dubai. My last holiday was 3 years ago and I was starting to burn out a little bit. So I gave that to myself. I needed it and I was excited for it and I was revving for it. So then I was coming back January, I think, did I come back 5th, 6th? Gonna be back just in time for the January, back on the YouTube. Went back straight to work and then all of a sudden I got struck down by Saturn. I woke up at 7 AM and my whole body was like aching, like painful aching. And I was like, I don't know what's going on. Everything hurt, like everything, my head hurts, everything hurts. But it wasn't like I had a blocked nose or a cough. Everything was hurting. So I woke up and I thought, let me try and sleep this off. Couldn't sleep because I was in so much pain. Hours went by and I'm trying to brave it in my bed like this has got to pass, this is gonna pass, this got past, right? It has to pass. Didn't pass, got to a certain point in the day, I think it was about 4 o'clock, and I called my doctor surgery and I just explained how much pain I was in. And obviously because I just got back from holiday, my fever was really high. So they gave me the mask and sent me to the tropical care unit at hospital. I went there, they did blood tests, they did x-rays. Because I was so unwell, like they looked at me, they had my temperature. I've never been that unwell. And it wasn't, like I said, it wasn't coughing, everything hurt. Waited for my results, Came back, I just had a very severe case of influenza. I've never had flu before, so it knocked me out, but it knocked me out really hard. So I was out for 2 weeks, just in bed. My fever was so high, it kept, oh mate, I would get so hot. So I've never been someone that calls the doctor when I'm unwell, but I knew it wasn't a cold. I knew something was wrong. And obviously what's happening in China, which is now becoming more of a global threat. I now understand why my surgery was so cautious with me. They put me in a mask. I'm very grateful to be looked after like that. And now I am back and healthy, and I'm so happy to be back. My energy is still a little bit lower than it normally is, but I am I'm creeping back, hence the return of Rachel Amma. So today we are decluttering. My room is a mess. My method of the madness is to get everything, tear it out of the wardrobe, build it back up and throw away, get rid of, send to charity, send to recycling, what I don't use and what I don't need. So that's a bit about where I've been. An unintentional absence. I feel like I missed Veganuary because I was in my bed. We're back now. Mission declutter. So these are all the products that I got sent by M&S, their new vegan range. I've only been using it for about 2 days, but I actually really like it. Over there is just been the stuff I've been sent, some of my makeup, a cup of tea. Oh, it's such a mess. And in here is, this is when I was learning Spanish 2 years ago. And then over here, my wardrobe doesn't shut properly because it is filled to the rim with unfolded, messy clothes, stressing me out. Clothes not put away. And then, like, this is ag, too much. Ag, there's stuff in here I haven't touched in years. And this one, is all my coats. I'm not even gonna open both sides because it's, all the bottom is just gonna fall out. All that in there is just gonna fall. Obviously my bed's not made. It's just, oh, I can't live like this. I hate mess. So we're gonna clear out everything. For all the clothes I'm gonna take to charity, I'm literally just gonna add it to the suitcase rather than using a plastic bag. I feel like if I start here, then we can gradually move down the wardrobe and then we can make our way to that mess. This is stuff I didn't even know I still had. Also, my method might be unconventional. I throw everything on the floor and pick through it. And it might be unconventional, but it's me. God, what have I got myself into? 2020, fresh start, declutter. Don't you know you drive? What we have here are all my tops. We're gonna start slowly going down. Don't you know you drive me crazy? Don't you know you drive? Keep, not keep. Don't you know you drive? So I've gotten through, you know, a little bit. I'm a little bit bored and I'm a little bit peckish. There's still so much to do. I'm still on, what do we call this? Number 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's not even including the other side of my room. This is gonna be a 2-day thing. I didn't even. But the results at the end are what makes me happy. Declutter, remove, delete, in the bin, trash, like your exes, dash them in the bin, sooner rather than later. All right, boom, let's go make some food. We've gone for toast and peanut butter because I am starving and there's nothing at home to eat. I've taken everything out. It's all on the floor and I got to sort this out. This is going to be a 2-day job. So I just munched on a bowl of apples. That's been my snack, apples, water, oranges. And I'll probably try and make something for dinner. If I can finish this wardrobe by tonight, then tomorrow I can work on everything else in my room that is progress. At the bottom, as you can see, where my trainers are, I just sorted out those two. They were stuffed with stuff, and I had these boxes full of files which are going in the bin, and I've still got a lot to organize. This is looking much better. We just got to sort out this one. I already did the top bit, but we just got to sort out what's underneath.
Going back and forth, I can't keep up with your moves.
I took a break, I had dinner. This is all stressing me out. I was way too optimistic when I thought I could do this in one day. One, I get distracted and I procrastinate. I go on Instagram, I message my friends, I listen to podcasts, and it just takes me a lot longer. So this is a 2-day job. Day 2 is to sort out this. I sorted out the top. I just need to sort out the bottom bit. That is a mess.
Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret everything. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for.
My room is clear and tidy. I am so much happier. I feel like my brain has made space. I mean, this was atrocious. This was just messy. Oh, this had my head everywhere, and now things are clear. I can open my cupboards and close them and they're not ram. And after having my health in the bad place, I'm so grateful that my body fought off what I had, and I'm feeling amazing, and I'm just so grateful for that. And I recommend to anyone who has a really messy living space, give it a nice declutter. You'll feel good after. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm very excited to be back on the YouTube space. Please give this video a thumbs up if you're happy to have me back. And don't forget to leave your comments. Let's have a conversation because it has been quite a while. And also let me know in the comments what recipes you want to see next week, because I'm going to be working on it now. So let me know. Bye.
I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret everything. So I let her know.